Almost every homeowner who has ever planted bamboo for privacy has ended up regretting it. Within 2 years, those underground rhizomes have traveled 20 feet in every direction, surfaced in the neighbor's lawn, cracked a patio slab, and quietly turned a simple screening project into a full-blown property dispute. And yet bamboo keeps getting recommended as the fastest way to create a living privacy wall on almost every landscaping site on the internet. Here is the truth. Nobody ever tells you. Most clumping bamboo varieties only grow 3 to 5 feet per year, but specific trees grow up to 15 feet per year, forming dense, permanent living walls that block noise and wind, as well as increasing property value. Some even produce timber valuable enough to sell. So stay close, because number 1 on this list has been scientifically documented as growing 15 feet in a single year, produces wood so prized that the Japanese call it the aluminum of timber, and its flower was historically reserved for the imperial family. By the end of this video, you will never consider bamboo again. Welcome to the channel. If you are currently dealing with a bamboo invasion, an ugly fence, or a neighbor who can see directly into your backyard, hit subscribe and tell me in the comments what you are currently using for privacy. Now let us get into the list of these 13 trees, ranked from impressively fast to almost impossibly rapid. At number 13, we have Forsythia. This deciduous shrub grows up to 2 feet per year and reaches 8 to 10 feet tall with an equal spread. Most people think of Forsythia purely as a spring-flowering ornamental, but when planted as a continuous hedge, it forms a dense, interlocking branch structure that provides solid screening even after the leaves drop. In early spring, it erupts into an explosion of vivid yellow flowers before any other shrub blooms, providing critical early-season nectar for emerging pollinators. Space plants 4 to 6 feet apart for a solid hedge. Forsythia thrives in zones 5 through 8, tolerates virtually any soil type, and responds to regular pruning by increasing its density dramatically. It was named after William Forsyth, head gardener at Kensington Palace in London, and one of the founding members of the Royal Horticultural Society in 1804. A privacy hedge carrying the name of the man who helped launch the most influential gardening organization in history. At number 12, Italian Cypress. Its tall, slender columnar silhouette evokes images of Tuscan roads lined with dark green sentinels stretching toward the horizon. Italian cypress grows 2 to 3 feet per year and reaches 40 to 60 feet tall, but only 3 to 5 feet wide, making it the narrowest privacy tree available for tight spaces where no other option fits. Space them just 3 to 4 feet apart for a solid evergreen screen. It thrives in zones 7 through 11, tolerates drought once established, and is native to the Eastern Mediterranean. The Tuscan landscape that millions of tourists photograph every year is defined by rows of Italian cypress. They are not wild. They were planted deliberately by farmers centuries ago as privacy screens and windbreaks. The most photographed landscape on Earth is a man-made privacy wall. Number 11 is Eastern Red Cedar. This native North American evergreen grows 2 to 3 feet per year and reaches 30 to 50 feet tall, with a dense pyramidal form providing complete year-round screening. It is one of the most drought-tolerant conifers on the continent, surviving in poor, rocky, alkaline soil where most trees would fail. Space plants 6 to 10 feet apart for a natural screen. Eastern Red Cedar grows in zones 2 through 9 and thrives from Maine to Florida and west to the Dakotas. The blueberries it produces are not just ornamental. They feed over 50 species of birds. Cedar waxwings were literally named after this tree because their diet depends so heavily on its fruit. The birds spread the seeds through their droppings, and the trees spread across the landscape in return. Plant one Eastern Red Cedar and you initiate a partnership between tree and bird that has been running for millions of years. At number 10, Nellie Stevens Holly. This broadleaf evergreen hybrid grows up to 3 feet per year and reaches 15 to 25 feet tall. Dense, glossy, dark green foliage provides complete year-round screening, and in winter the branches are studded with bright red berries that attract overwintering birds. Space plants 5 to 10 feet apart for a privacy hedge. Nellie Stevens is a hybrid of Chinese holly and English holly, thriving in zones 6 through 9. It is deer-resistant, virtually pest-free, and requires minimal pruning because it maintains a naturally dense form. Most privacy trees give you a green wall. This one gives you a green wall that feeds birds all winter. Privacy and wildlife habitat from the same planting. Number 9 is Cryptomeria, also known as Japanese cedar. This evergreen grows up to 3 feet per year and reaches 50 to 60 feet tall with dense, feathery foliage that turns an attractive bronze in winter before returning to deep green in spring. It is the national tree of Japan and has been planted along sacred temple avenues for centuries, space plants 6 to 8 feet apart. Cryptomeria thrives in zones 5 through 9 in full sun to partial shade with moist, well-drained soil. The ancient Cryptomeria forests on Yakushima Island in southern Japan contain specimens over 2,000 years old. The oldest known individual, Jomon Sugi, is estimated at 2,170 years. UNESCO designated the island a World Heritage Site in 1993, partly because of these extraordinary trees. You are planting a species that has been standing guard for millennia. At number 8, Privet. This is the most traditional formal hedging plant in the Western world. Privet grows 2 to 3 feet per year and can be sheared into precise geometric shapes with extraordinary density. Space plants just 12 to 18 inches apart for a tight, formal hedge, closer than almost any other tree on this list. Common privet thrives in zones 4 through 9. Wax leaf privet handles zones 7 through 10. Both tolerate virtually any soil type and aspect. Tammy Sons, founder of TN Nursery, has noted that wax leaf privet's 2 to 3 feet of annual growth enables rapid transformation into a functional living screen. One interesting note for viewers in Australia and parts of the southern United States. Privet is classified as invasive in some regions, so check local regulations before planting. The word privet itself derives from the word private. The plant is literally named after the function it performs. 1,000 years of English hedgerow tradition distilled into a single etymology. Number 7 is Norway spruce. This majestic evergreen grows 2 to 3 feet per year once established and reaches 40 to 60 feet tall. Sweeping, pendulous lower branches extend to ground level, creating an impenetrable visual and physical barrier that no bamboo can match. Space plants 10 to 15 feet apart for a natural screen. Norway spruce thrives in zones 2 through 7, tolerates extreme cold, and is the classic Christmas tree species grown across Scandinavia, the United Kingdom, and northern North America. But the longevity of this species is what truly sets it apart. In Fulufjallet National Park in Sweden, a Norway spruce known as Old Chico has a root system carbon dated at approximately 9,550 years old by researchers at Umeå University. The visible trunk above ground regenerates periodically, but the underground organism has been alive continuously since the glaciers retreated at the end of the last ice age. Old Chico has been growing since before the pyramids were built, before writing was invented, before agriculture existed. You are planting a species that has outlasted every civilization in recorded history. At number 6, Leyland Cypress. This is the most widely planted privacy tree in the English-speaking world. It grows 3 to 4 feet per year and reaches 35 to 70 feet tall, with dense, feathery foliage providing complete year-round screening. Space plants 4 to 6 feet apart. Leyland Cypress thrives in zones 6 through 10, but its origin story is remarkable. In 1888, at Leighton Hall in Wales, 2 conifer species from opposite sides of North America happened to be growing near each other. Monterey cypress from California and Nootka cypress from the Pacific Northwest cross-pollinated naturally, producing a hybrid that estate owner Christopher Leyland noticed and propagated. An accidental cross-continental hybrid born in a Welsh garden that went on to become the single most planted privacy screen on the planet. Sometimes the best solutions are the ones nobody planned. If you have been searching for the right privacy tree, drop a comment telling me what you are currently using to screen your property. Subscribe now, because the top 5 trees on this list grow at speeds that make everything we have covered so far look slow. At number 5, Thuja Green Giant. This is widely considered the best all-around evergreen privacy tree available in North America. It grows 3 to 5 feet per year and reaches 40 to 60 feet tall with a naturally dense pyramidal form that requires virtually zero pruning to maintain. Space plants 5 to 6 feet apart for a solid wall. Andrew Bunting, Vice President of Horticulture at the Pennsylvania Horticultural Society, has publicly stated that Green Giant is one of the fastest growing hedging plants available, with established specimens easily exceeding 4 feet per year. It thrives in zones 5 through 8, tolerates drought once established, resists deer browsing, and is immune to the bagworm infestations and canker diseases that plague Leyland cypress. Thuja Green Giant was introduced through the U.S. National Arboretum in Washington, D.C. It was specifically evaluated and promoted because it solved every problem Leyland cypress created: faster growth, better disease resistance, superior cold hardiness, more wind tolerance, a tree engineered by nature and selected by scientists to be the perfect privacy screen. But even Green Giant's 5 feet per year cannot compete with the next 4 trees on this list. The growth rates from here become genuinely difficult to believe. Number 4 is Lombardy poplar. This columnar deciduous tree grows 5 to 6 feet per year and reaches 40 to 60 feet tall, but only 10 to 15 feet wide. Its upright, architectural form creates an instant vertical statement. Space plants 6 to 8 feet apart for a dramatic columnar screen. Lombardy poplar thrives in zones 3 through 9, which means it survives extreme cold that would kill bamboo outright. It tolerates wet conditions, poor soil, and urban pollution. One practical note: Lombardy poplars are relatively short-lived at 20 to 30 years and susceptible to canker disease. They are best used as rapid temporary screens, while slower permanent evergreens establish behind them. But the historical significance of this tree is extraordinary. Napoleon Bonaparte ordered Lombardy poplars planted along every major road throughout the French Empire to provide shade for marching troops. Those routes nationales, the distinctive tree-lined avenues that define the French countryside to this day, were created by a single military decree over 200 years ago. Many of those original plantings and their descendants still stand. At number 3, hybrid willow. Also known as Austree, this is the fastest establishing living screen available to home gardeners. Growth rates of 6 to 12 feet per year are consistently documented. A bare whip planted in spring becomes a tree taller than a single-story house by autumn. Space plants 5 feet apart for a dense barrier. Hybrid willows thrive in zones 4 through 9 and tolerate both wet and dry soils, although they prefer moist conditions. Consistent watering during the first year accelerates already extreme growth. They require regular pruning to maintain form. The smartest strategy is to plant hybrid willows for immediate first-year privacy, while slower, more permanent evergreens like Thuja Green Giant or Norway Spruce grow behind them. After 10 to 15 years, when the permanent screen has filled in, remove the willows, 12 feet in 1 year. A full privacy screen from bare ground in a single growing season. No fence contractor on earth works that fast. No bamboo grows that fast. Number 2 is hybrid poplar. This is one of the fastest growing trees available in any temperate climate. It gains 6 to 8 feet of height per year and reaches 40 to 70 feet tall. The broad canopy provides complete overhead screening during the growing season, and dense branch structure offers partial coverage even through winter. Space plants 8 to 10 feet apart. Hybrid poplars thrive in zones 3 through 9 in virtually any soil condition, including heavy clay, sand, and wet ground. The U.S. Department of Energy actively funds research into hybrid poplar as a renewable biomass crop because no other temperate tree produces usable wood this fast. The timber is commercially harvested for plywood, pallets, and paper pulp. A privacy screen that simultaneously functions as a small-scale timber plantation. In 15 years, the trees you planted for privacy could be selectively harvested and sold as lumber, while new growth regenerates from the stumps. But even hybrid poplar at 8 feet per year is not the fastest growing tree on Earth. That title belongs to something else entirely, and the margin is not close. And finally, taking the crown at number 1, the Royal Empress tree, scientifically known as Paulownia tomentosa. This is the fastest growing tree ever documented in temperate climates. Under optimal conditions, first-year seedlings routinely reach 10 feet or more. Some documented specimens have gained 15 feet in a single season. No other temperate tree comes close. The leaves alone are extraordinary, reaching 12 to 18 inches across, roughly the size of a dinner plate. Those massive leaves create dense overhead canopy, screening within months of planting. Paulownia is native to central and western China and thrives in zones 5 through 9. Space plants 15 to 20 feet apart to account for the rapid canopy expansion. It tolerates poor soil and even thrives in conditions other trees reject. But the story of this tree extends far beyond its growth rate. In Japan, the Paulownia flower, known as kiri, is the official crest of the prime minister and appears on the 500 yen coin. It was historically reserved for the Japanese imperial family as a symbol of authority and grace. Paulownia timber is the most valued wood in traditional Japanese furniture making. Japanese craftsmen call it the aluminum of timber because it is simultaneously lightweight and exceptionally strong. Traditional tansu chests made from Paulownia wood are fireproof heirlooms. The wood chars on the outside during a fire while protecting the contents within. Families have passed these chests down through generations for centuries. A single mature Paulownia log can sell for over $1,000 in Japanese timber markets. Researchers are also actively investigating Paulownia as one of the most promising carbon sequestration species on the planet. Its extreme growth rate means it absorbs atmospheric carbon dioxide faster than virtually any other temperate tree. The USDA has evaluated Paulownia for intercropping systems where it shades crops while simultaneously pulling carbon from the atmosphere and producing high-value timber. One essential caution: Paulownia is classified as invasive in several U.S. states, including Connecticut, where sale of its seeds is actually restricted. It self-seeds aggressively. If you plant it in a permitted area, remove seed pods before they disperse to prevent unwanted spread. Responsible management is not optional with this tree. It is mandatory, but managed correctly, nothing else on this list comes close. 15 feet of growth in a single year. Timber worth over $1,000 per log. A flower crest reserved for emperors. Leaves the size of dinner plates. Active research as a planetary carbon solution. The Royal Empress tree does not just grow faster than bamboo, it grows faster than everything. 13 trees, growth rates ranging from 2 to 15 feet per year. Evergreens for year-round screening, deciduous species for rapid establishment, heritage hedging for formal elegance. The smartest approach is not choosing just one. Plant fast-establishing deciduous trees like hybrid willows or poplars for immediate privacy in year 1. Behind them, plant permanent evergreens like Thuja green giant, Norway spruce, or Cryptomeria that will mature over 3 to 5 years into a lifetime screen. Once the permanent wall is established, remove the temporary fast growers. You end up with a living barrier that improves with every passing year, increases your property value, supports wildlife, reduces noise and wind, and never rots, rusts, or needs replacing. A wooden fence costs thousands and begins deteriorating the moment you install it. These trees cost a fraction of that and grow more valuable with every season. Which of these 13 trees are you planting first? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe so you do not miss our next video. And if you know someone still fighting a bamboo invasion or staring at an ugly fence they cannot afford to replace, share this with them before another growing season passes.